Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well today. Welcome back in JM Law series. Our today's topic is chapter 11 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita 2023 जिसमें चैप्टर ऑफेंसेस अगेंस्ट द पब्लिक ट्रांसक्विलिटी से आज हम डील करेंगे। इसका पहला सेक्शन 189 है जो कि अनलॉफुल असेंबलीज को से डील करता है। इसमें बताया गया है कि अनलॉफुल एक्टिविटीज़ किस वे में कंसिडर की जाएगी कि कोई असेंबली अनलॉफुल असेंबली है। तो इसका सबसेक्शन 1 कहता है कि एन असेंबली ऑफ 5 और मोर पर्सन इज designated an unlawful assembly if the common object of the persons composing that assembly is to overview by criminal force or so of criminal forces the central government or any state government of or parliament or the legislature of any state or any public servant in the exercise of the lawful power of such public servant to resist the execution of any law or any legal process or to commit any mischief or criminal trespasses or other offences or by means or of criminal forces or so of criminal forces to any person to take or obtain possession of any property or to deprive any person of the enjoyment of a right of way or of the use of water or other incorporeal right of which he is in possession or enjoyment, or to enforce any right or supposed right or by means of criminal force or so of criminal force to compel any person to do what he is not legally bound to do or to omit to do what he is legally entitled to do. इसमें explanation कह रहा है कि an assembly which has not unlawful when it assembled may subsequently become an unlawful assembly, whoever being aware of fact that rendered any assembly an unlawful assembly intentionally joins that assembly or continue in it is said to be a member of unlawful assembly, and such member shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 6 months or with fine. मतलब जानकर आप उसमें अनलॉफुल असेंबली का मेंबर बन रहे हो तो सबसेक्शन 3 कहता है whoever joins or continues in an unlawful assembly knowing that such unlawful assembly has been commanded in the manner prescribed by law to disperse shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 2 years or with fine or with both. Subsection 4 कहता है whoever being armed with any deadly weapon or with anything which used as a weapon of offences is likely to cause death is a member of unlawful assembly shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 2 years or with fine or with both. Subsection 5 कहता है whoever knowingly joins or continues in any assembly of 5 or more persons likely to cause a disturbance of the public peace after such assembly has been lawfully commanded to disperse shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 6 months or with fine or with both. Explanation कहता है if the assembly is an unlawful assembly within the meaning of subsection 1 the offender shall be punished under subsection 3. Subsection 6 कहता है whoever hires or engages or employ or promotes or convenes at the hiring engagement or employment of any person to join or become a member of any unlawful assembly shall be punishable as a member of such unlawful assembly and for any offence which may be committed by any such person as a member of such unlawful assembly in pursuance of such hiring engagement or employment in the same manner as if he had been a member of such unlawful assembly or himself had committed such offense. Subsection 7 कहता है whoever harbors receive or assemble in any house or premises in his occupation or charge or under his control any person knowing that such person have been hired engaged or employed or are about to be hired engaged or employed to join or become member of an unlawful assembly shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 6 months or with fine or with both. 8 subsection कहता है whoever is engages or hired or offers or attempt to be hired or engages to do or assist in doing any of act specified in subsection 1 shall be punished with imprisonment description for a term which may extend to 6 months or with fine or with both. Subsection 9 कहता है whoever being so engaged or hired as referred to in subsection 8 goes armed or engages or offers to go armed with any deadly weapon or with anything which used as a weapon of offences is likely to cause death shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 2 years or with fine or with both. यहाँ पे सिंपली जो अनलॉफुल असेंबली सेक्शन 189 कहता है कि असेंबली ऑफ 5+ persons with a criminal common unlawful as object, member punished up to 6 months, armed members up to 2 years, and joining after lawful commands to disperse up to 2 years, hiring, harboring, and person for unlawful assembly also punishable under the same punishment of 2 years. So ये था आज का हमारा टॉपिक सेक्शन 189 ऑफ BNS जो कि अनलॉफुल असेंबली को डिफाइन करता था. नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलते हैं इसके अदर्स सेक्शंस के साथ. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो.